celebrating Dragon Year. In a bustling city, the Zhang family gathered around their kitchen table, buzzing with excitement. They were planning how to celebrate the Year of the Dragon in 2024. Mrs. Zhang, known for her culinary skills, started with a smile. Let's start with fish for abundance, and definitely include spring rolls for wealth. Mr. Zhang, who loved reading about zodiac signs, chimed in. And we can't forget Tengyuan for family harmony. This year, the dragon brings us the promise of luck and strength. Their daughter Li eagerly asked, when does the year of the dragon begin, Dad? Mr. Zhang adjusted his glasses and replied, it begins on February 10th. What makes the dragon year special, Dad? Li asked again. Mr. Zhang explained, the dragon is strong and lucky. People born in the dragon year are confident and good leaders, but they need to be careful not to be too proud. Foam, their son, born in the year of the dragon, said, yes, I am a dragon. We need to remember to be wise, not just brave. Mrs. Zhang nodded in agreement. Speaking of luck, I heard that roosters, monkeys, and rats will also have a particularly prosperous year. As they delved deeper into their plans, the family decided to decorate their home with red and gold banners, symbolizing luck and prosperity, and to create a majestic paper dragon to capture the essence of the year. Li volunteered to make handmade lanterns, adding a personal touch to the decorations. As their planning continued, they talked about embracing the best qualities of the dragon, being strong, courageous, and smart, but also learning to be patient and humble. Filled with joy and anticipation, the Zhang family looked forward to their Dragon Year celebrations. They were excited to share this time together, hoping for a year filled with happiness, health, and plenty of good fortune.